Today we're going to show you how to build a wooden microscope. First you want to pop out the pieces, and a lot of these will actually fall out on their own if you give a little bit of pressure. But some of these pieces actually, especially the smaller ones for example, I like to use a screwdriver, a small flathead, to push these pieces out, even these little guys. And we'll make sure that we get all these pieces out. You want to make sure you take your time and get them out without breaking any of the pieces. This one's fighting just a little bit. There we go. And here we have our pieces. The assembly process is basically divided into 3 parts. So first I'm going to start by building the focus rack. So we'll get those pieces in place. They're part numbers 1 through 6, and they look like these guys right here. So I'll set these aside. And basically what we'll do is first we'll start with the largest piece right here. We'll then grab one of these and slide it in place. Next we'll follow by the smaller piece, and the large wooden gear will go on top of this. Make sure that you can spin that freely. The next spacer follows, and finally this, which actually seals this rack together. Go ahead and put that in place so that fits nicely. And there you're done with the focus rack. So the next part is the specimen holder. These are pieces 7 through 12. So they look something like this. So this piece, you need to grab these small little pieces. This guy right here, and these 2 pieces as well. So again, I'll set these aside. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is, this actually has 2 mounting features. One is longer than the other. So for the longer side, we're going to pair this up with this piece right here. I'm actually going to grab this one instead. So you want to basically move that until it snaps into place. And so right here, again, the longer, you want to pop until it snaps into place. Okay. Here's going to be the top portion of the stage, and this is going to press fit in, and you want to kind of wiggle that as well until that fits into place. Now finally, these small pieces, which are actually pretty important for sliding, these are going to go right into this area like so. There's one, and here is the other. So now your specimen holder is done. Now finally, we're going to start on the frame. So what I actually like to do is grab piece number 13, okay, and we're going to put the stage rack in. So this piece right here is going to fit into this slot. Just drop that into place. And also the focus rack, we're going to grab this piece and go right down there. We're also going to take our lens element. So this lens element, if this were to ever come loose, for example, what you want to do is you want to actually put this up, put the logo side down, and you can simply press that into place and it'll stay right in there. But if it ever falls out, that's like how you would want to put it back into place. These are going to go right into these 2 slots, like so. And now we grab our other 2 pieces. So there's going to be some areas right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the areas that you're going to have to align. So we'll start off by kind of grabbing this area right here. So those are into place, and then I'm going to move over to up top, make sure those fall in. Okay, so now what I like to do is actually pinch this, and you'll see 3 final pieces. These 2 are similar, they're a little bit different, but this piece has an entirely different curve. This is the bottom piece, so we throw that into here, push that together. Okay, so that's in place. Next, we grab this piece right here, which is our spacer, and that's going to fall right into there. So these two pieces, you'll see that that one actually matches right there. So we'll go ahead and drop that down. And our final piece is going to go right into place, just like that. So now we have our microscope fully built. The back piece that you saw for the focus rack, that'll actually adjust and will adjust your focus. So we're going to grab just any ordinary phone and open up the live mode. And what you're going to do is you're going to actually take the camera and put that right above the camera area. And we'll take a look at certain samples. We found this right outside. It's just a leaf. Go ahead and put this underneath. And we'll find focus. Of course, you can pinch to zoom and capture that image if you like it. So there's a lot of cool things that you can have fun with. Enjoy your scope. Thanks.